Welcome guys. Today I'm going to show you how to install HEVC video extensions in your computer. So you could get HEVC video extensions from the Microsoft Store, but you should pay $0.99 for this program. But there should be a way to get rid of this payable. Therefore, you could get the same app from a different destination for free without paying any money, and there's no difference between those two apps. So without paying, let's try to get HEVC without paying. So there will be a link in the description below this video, and from there go to the link and you will see one of the files. It's a folder. It's stored in mediafile.com. So this is one of the files that I uploaded, and you can see, just click on download this one. This program will not contain any viruses, confirmed. So click on download, and after download is completed, go to downloads and then double click on the application. So then you can see there's a program window appearing. Install HEVC video extensions from device manufacturer. This is the codec that is given to you by your device manufacturer. So it's a Microsoft Store trusted app. So just click on install. So, okay, HEVC video extension from device manufacturer is ready. So just close it and it's done. So guys, if you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and ring the bell icon for notifications. So see you guys in another video like this. Bye guys.